Hi, I'm Sam of the DIY blog aww.sam, and today we're going to be transforming this space into a holiday party for all of my friends. By the way, do you see this VR headset right here? If you have one of these, you can watch this in 180 VR by pressing the button below. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to take some ordinary objects that you can find in the party store, like this here, and transform it into something amazing. To be inclusive of all holidays, we want to stray away from the normal traditional holiday colors and go with lots of loud pops of color. We're going to start out with one of these paper honeycombs. They have these sticky parts on them, but sometimes the sticky part doesn't work. So pop a little bit of hot glue on here just to make sure that it holds up for your whole party. Now the next step is taking this gold paper and cutting a strip out of it for the top of this ornament. Okay, now that you have your strip, we're going to attach this with hot glue. Fold it together, and there you have the top of your ornament. So the last step is just to attach this to the paper honeycomb. We're going to use hot glue again, put this around the base of the paper, and when you attach it to the honeycomb, just make sure that the string of the honeycomb here is going through the top, just so you can hang it up later. Press down on the top of this, make sure it's secure, and there you have your ornament. All right, time to make a few more of these, and then we're ready to hang them up. Now let's put them up. We're going to create a giant wreath to go right above the couch that I'm sitting on. Here's everything you're gonna need. Some tissue paper that you cut into a fringe, a hot glue gun, and if you have any inner tubes hanging out in your garage, we're gonna turn it into a wreath. So right now I'm taking these strips of tissue paper that we cut into this fringe shape and wrapping it around everyone's favorite summer object, the inner tube. You just want to put a little dab of hot glue on the end. I promise that hot glue does work on this material. And then you're just going to keep going with these strips all the way around until you've covered the whole thing. All right, I'm going to go finish this and I'll be back to show you when I hang it up. I really love balloons to jazz up a space. Today we're going to be making this, and this is what you'll need. A balloon, leaves, floral wire, and floral tape. So first we're going to take our leaves and wrap them with floral wire. We're going to turn these into a long chain like you saw on the balloon earlier. So once you're done wrapping the wire, you're going to take some floral tape and wrap that around the wire to cover it up. And trim off any excess ends with scissors. And now comes the fun part. We're gonna attach this to your balloon. So we're gonna wrap this to the balloon string with the wire. And you wanna keep doing this down the string to make sure that it stays nice and tight. And then we're gonna take a piece of your floral tape and wrap that to cover up any of the wire. These leaves really add a great touch. Cut off any excess once again. Continue doing that a few more times and you have yourself a floral string. People are coming over soon. I still have a lot to do, so let's go. All right, I think we're ready. Time for me to go change. Hey! Come on in.
Wow, it's so pretty in here.
Awesome. Look at all of these decorations.
Wow.
Let's go. Thanks so much for joining us today. To subscribe, click here, and to watch more Refinery29 videos, click here. Bye!